This is about advice for people in their 30s. Every stage of life has different things that are important. And then how you approach them at that stage of life is important. The 30s is, hey, now it's getting serious, okay? You went to school, you learned, you came out of school. Yeah, the 20s is a blast, okay? You're making the transition into a job. In the 30s, okay, now work and then family traditionally starts to get serious. So you're really starting to deal with work-life balance issues, and you're not going to have enough time. And how do you approach those years? There's nothing more important in your life than who you choose to have as your life partner. And then there's the possibility of kids. And so there's kids, life partner, and work. And how you approach those things are the most important decisions that you're going to make. And it's going to be stressful. And you're at a stage in your life where you're going to have to start to take care of your kids and your work and perhaps your parents who have not yet passed along, and then they might be going through their difficult time. I recommend you meditate, okay? Whenever you have stress, calm yourself down, get the equanimity that meditation can give you through this. And then I recommend that you realize that you can have everything you want, but you can't have everything you want. And so you're going to have to start to prioritize these items, making the most important things most important. But beyond that, also seek the advice of others, like in every phase in life. There have been lots of people who have been through this before, and so they can give you the advice that you need in order to face your trade-offs. So I think if you think that through, you get good advice, and you face those challenges well, you'll make the most of that probably most challenging decade of your life.